So, is the United States actually heading toward bankruptcy? Short answer no. The US isn't anywhere close to a real default, but it does have long term problems it needs to deal with. Here's the simple breakdown: the US prints its own currency, the US dollar, which also happens to be the world's reserve currency. That gives the government a ton of flexibility that most countries don't have. So, an actual default, like we can't pay our debt, is extremely unlikely. America also has one of the strongest, biggest, and most diversified economies on the planet. Its financial markets are huge, and US treasuries are still considered the safest benchmark for global investors. And historically, the US has never failed to pay its debt. Even the small technical issues in the past were temporarily, not real defaults. But here's the catch: the real risk isn't economic, it's political. Every time Congress fights over the debt ceiling, the government gets dangerously close to a technical default for no good reason. Those fights shake the market, raise borrowing costs, and even cost the US its perfect AAA credit rating back in 2023. And long term, the math doesn't look great. Agencies like the CBO warn that if nothing changes, no spending cuts, no tax reforms, the national debt will keep growing until interest payments become a huge problem. So the bottom line is America isn't going bankrupt right now, but the long term path is definitely dangerous if policymakers don't get it together.